Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets closed slightly higher on Friday, but yet on a week-on-week basis, the markets closed lower and global markets are really looking very bad. European markets were down for 7 or 8 consecutive trading sessions. I think it was 8 consecutive trading sessions, but Nifty was up for 6 consecutive trading sessions. Now, right now, the GIFT Nifty indicating another 50-point gap up, opening above Friday's high. So, therefore, in all probability, today, 7th straight day, our market can be higher. So you see 8 trading sessions lower in Europe, 7 trading sessions higher in Indian markets. So this is a complete divergence. And if you look fundamentally, markets, it's totally confusing. Why? Nothing seems to be going right for India. Indian rupee depreciating, crude oil prices is going higher, US dollar index is rising, US bond yield is rising, global markets are falling, and finally, FIA is continuously selling aggressively. So the month to date, except one trading session, in all other trading sessions, FIAs were net sellers. They've sold for nearly $500 million worth of shares in India. That's about 4,000 plus crores. But despite that, everyday market is going higher. And not only that, there is a very big uncertainty. Special session of parliament from September 18 to 22. Even now, nobody knows what is the agenda. They just said it's a special business. Of course, a special session of parliament has to be special business only. Normal business will be in a normal session only. So therefore, we are totally confused, and special session of parliament is definitely an uncertainty. So I always say markets can take positive things, markets can take negative things, markets cannot take uncertainty. But what is happening now is really puzzling, and despite such a big uncertainty, nothing is reflecting in market, and markets are just keep moving higher and higher, and mid cap and small cap already hit all time high about 1 or 2 weeks before. It looks like the markets likely to hit all time high before the special session of parliament. Now, the fundamentals, looking very, very confusing, but technically market is looking strong. And when you are confused about the fundamentals, you rely on technicals. And technically, both Nifty and Bank Nifty have become long. And particularly on Friday, on Thursday, Nifty became long. On Friday, Bank Nifty has become long. And the reversal of this incremental CRR in a phased manner by RBI is the news that took Bank Nifty much higher, and Bank Nifty now decisively closed above 45,000. So earlier it was struggling, moving very violently between 44,000 and 45,000. Now it decisively closed above 45,000. So number one, both Nifty and Bank Nifty both are long. And number two, this is coming with a news. It is likely to sustain. So incremental CRR was the main reason why Bank Nifty was underperforming for the last 1 month. Now that has been removed. On top of which, on Friday around 3 p.m., there was a news that Reliance may be entering into chip making business. They may tie up with Nvidia. So remember, even now, for the last 1 month, Reliance has been underperforming. So Reliance and HDFC Bank put together, they have 25% weightage in Nifty, and both the stocks were doing very, very badly. HDFC Bank fell nearly 10% from the recent high to recent low. And Reliance has been falling ever since this Geo Financial has been hived off. So if Reliance also start picking up, I think the possibility we are just about 1% away from all-time high. So any correction may come only after hitting all-time high. So all-time high is just within a striking distance. Asian markets in the morning, most of them open lower, but then after that, some of them are recovering. Say, for example, Korean markets open lower, now it turned green, and Chinese markets are also in green, but Hong Kong market is down. So Asia, as usual, is giving only a mixed signal. Looking at the open interest, 19,500 seems to be a very, very good support for the short term. And 1 week is over, and we have only 3 more weeks. Out of 3 more weeks, one trading session is a public holiday. So therefore, we have only about 14 trading session. So the people are hoping time value will be helping them, but otherwise, this is it's a trending market from 19,200 to 19,800 in 6 trading sessions, and today another 50-point gap up. So there is every possibility today also Nifty may be closing higher. So non-directional players are finding it very difficult to survive this market. Intraday players are also having the same problem. Last Friday, the Bank Nifty went up. The moment the RBI news came, then came under a severe selling pressure, fell 300 point, and so on. And to add fuel to the fire, there were some freak trades in Sensex options. So all those kind of things are going on. Now I can tell you very clearly there will be golden period for traders. There will be golden period for intraday traders. There will be golden period for investors. Now it looks like golden period for investors. And the traders, to make 10% profit, they are struggling like anything for many months. But stocks like PFC and REC shooting up 10% in one day. And REC and PFC has given 300% return since I recommended about 2 years before. So I don't have a very big skill to recommend stocks, but it was a no-brainer. It was giving 10% dividend yield, so much better than bank FD return. Plus, it's a PSU company, so they will not close one day and run away. So still, they were trading at 3-4 PE ratios. So now they are all giving good return, especially the mid cap and small cap stocks are giving huge returns. So this is clearly golden period for investors, not for traders. So the traders have to be very, very cautious in this period. So let us see whether, uh, because it's a gap up opening, so our next resistance will be only 20,000 in Nifty future. So definitely the support has to be yesterday's low. So Nifty is likely to trade between yesterday's low and 20,000, and Reliance is the key stock today to watch. And however, today I think there is a consumer price inflation data is there in US. So like usually on the day when the consumer inflation data comes, markets move violently in US market. So therefore, there can be some kind of a profit booking in the last 1 hour ahead of the US inflation data. So that is not ruled out. So let us see what is going to happen. So it is time to be bullish. If you are having any bearish strategy, so you have to close the bearish strategy. Hope you enjoy listening to this audio. I have some internet problem at my home. So by evening, so we will be back with normal video. Thank you.